Hey guys, today I'm going to be attempting to do a puddle pour using just acrylic paint and water as the medium. I don't like a lot of sails in my finished work, so I'm going to try just using water and see how that works out. As far as the ratios, I really couldn't give an exact measurement. I try to get the consistency to be not too soupy, but not too thick. Thinner than glue would pour, but not as loose as water. So right here you can see my silver is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to go and add a little bit more water to that. The consistency of the blue, that's about, how I like it. So just add water until, you have like a fluid pour that works for you. I say just play around with it. So I am pleasantly surprised with the way this turned out. I think this is my best one so far out of all the other mediums and techniques that I've tried. I really love the way that this turned out. I'll give it a few days to dry, and then I'll put a glaze over it, and this is exactly the way that I was hoping this would turn out. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if I didn't mention it, this canvas was coated with gesso before I started. I put a couple of coats of gesso on here and let that dry before I started. Let me know what you think, and thank you again for watching.